Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's kick things off with something we all crave: healthy, radiant hair. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to take your hair from lackluster to luxurious: the ANZA Keratin Healing Hair Oil Treatment. If you're dealing with dry, damaged hair, this might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. This hair treatment is designed to revive and nourish your hair, with an added boost of strength and shine. It comes with a 3.4-ounce bottle, packed with ANZA's signature Phyto IV Complex. This powerful formula helps restore the hair's natural moisture, repair damage, and even add body and bounce to your strands. Sounds promising, right? First off, let's talk ingredients. The ANZA Keratin Healing Hair Oil is sulfate-free, which means it's gentle and won't strip your hair of its natural oils. This is particularly beneficial for those of us with color-treated or chemically processed hair, as sulfates can be harsh and drying. The oil is also paraben-free, so it's a great choice for those avoiding preservatives that can irritate the scalp. In terms of usage, I have to say, it's incredibly easy to work into your routine. Just a few drops into damp or dry hair, and you're good to go. The oil has a natural scent, nothing overpowering or artificial, which I really appreciate. It absorbs quickly without leaving that heavy, greasy feeling, which is essential for those of us with fine or easily weighed down hair. Now let's talk real-world testing. I use this oil after washing my hair and also as a midday pick-me-up for added shine. After a few weeks, I noticed my hair feeling softer and more manageable. The damage seemed less noticeable, and my hair had this subtle but noticeable bounce. But I want to be transparent. While it works wonders on dry ends, if you're dealing with more extreme damage, you might need something a bit more intensive alongside this oil. As for pros, this product definitely adds shine and improves texture, making hair feel silky without being greasy. The Phyto IV Complex seems to work well in nourishing the hair. Plus, it's cruelty-free, which always scores points in my book. On the flip side, if you're expecting a deep conditioning treatment, you might be slightly disappointed. This is more of a lightweight oil meant to boost overall radiance and strength, but it's not going to dramatically reverse severe damage. Is it worth the price? In my opinion, yes. If you're looking for a product that adds instant nourishment and shine without heavy residue. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the quality ingredients and performance make it a solid pick for those who need a hair oil for daily upkeep rather than deep repair. In comparison to other oils on the market, ANZA stands out due to its gentle, sulfate-free formula and the addition of Phyto IV Complex, which isn't something you see in every treatment. It sits in a higher price bracket, but it might be worth it for the added benefits. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The bottle is sturdy, and the pump dispenses just the right amount of product, which I always appreciate. It's easy to control how much oil you're using, which prevents you from overdoing it. I haven't had any issues with customer support, but ANZA has a reputation for being responsive to inquiries, so I would expect good service if you ever needed it. If you're looking for alternatives, a more affordable option to consider might be the OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. It's not quite the same, but it provides similar shine and hydration at a lower price point. Overall, ANZA Keratin Healing Hair Oil Treatment delivers on its promises. If you have dry, damaged hair and are seeking something to enhance shine, softness, and overall health, this is a solid investment. However, if you need deep repair, it may not be intensive enough for more severe damage. If this review was helpful, please like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so more beauty lovers like you can find this video. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.